Dawood Ibrahim's 26 addresses have been identified. It is the most detailed data haul on Dawood. India tracks down 26 Dawood sites and properties across the UK, Europe, Africa. We reveal the true extent of the Don's empire. Will London help India with the Dawood hunt? India dials UK ahead of Prime Minister Modi's November trip and has asked Britain for a joint hunt. Let's get a word from Shiv Varur, who's with us live from our newsroom. Shiv, the Indian government has been able to identify 26 addresses at which Dawood Ibrahim was last seen. The big question now, will we be able to strike up a sort of partnership with the British government where it will help us get custody of this dreaded terrorist?
Very, very crucial piece of progress in this larger operation that we're calling the Dawood Hunt. Simi, remember, Prime Minister Modi leaves for the UK next month. At least 14 properties belonging to Dawood, or Benami properties that are not in his name but through front organizations to others, have been identified in places like Essex, in London and also in Warwickshire. But apart from that, what we understand is that Indian intelligence agencies have gotten their hands on documents listing at least 26 addresses in the United Kingdom, in Pakistan, in places like Turkey, as well as the United Arab Emirates and other countries, including Morocco, North Africa, where Dawood actually has properties which are either in his name or are Benami properties. Now, all of these properties are it has been established by Indian investigators and intelligence that these in some way or the other belong to Dawood Ibrahim, India's most wanted terrorist. But apart from that, 14 of those, more than half of those addresses are in the United Kingdom, which means right before Narendra Modi leaves for the United Kingdom, the Indian intelligence agencies, the Indian government are looking for some kind of cooperation from British intelligence and British investigators to try and clamp down and freeze Dawood's assets in those countries. Remember, it's a very tricky proposition because India needs to prove that these properties actually belong to Dawood. And Dawood, obviously being the elusive terrorist that he is, none of these properties are directly in his name. It's very difficult to establish, how these are Benami properties linked actually to him. But we have it on good authority that the Indian agencies have dossiers of information on precisely how these properties are actually linked to Dawood Ibrahim, and these will be supplied to British intelligence before Narendra Modi's visit. We also have it on good authority that the Indian government is looking for the Dawood hunt to make substantive progress once Prime Minister Modi actually visits the UK next month, and hopefully there will be something to announce. But these 26 addresses, like we've been saying here on India Today, that we've accessed as part of this government list, is the single largest list of data with specifics about properties owned either directly or indirectly by Dawood Ibrahim.
Shiv, stay on with us. You've also gotten a reaction from former Police Commissioner Ved Maria. Let's listen into that and I'm going to come back to you in just a bit.
इस लिस्ट से उनको ये पता लगेगा कि इनका उसका नेटवर्क क्या है, क्योंकि जिन लोगों ने उसको मदद दी है अकेले तो किया नहीं होगा, तो उसका पूरा नेटवर्क चलता है जो पाकिस्तान में भी है और आपके ब्रिटेन में भी है। तो उनके कौन कौन उसके पीछे हैं वो स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड को भी उसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करके उसकी खबर मिलेगी और वो अगर हमारे साथ शेयर करेगा।
Former Delhi Police Chief Ved Maria saying that this list will help the government identify locations that Dawood Ibrahim has visited in the last few years. Also will be able to figure out how many people he's been in touch with. Shiv Varur is with us live from our newsroom. Shiv, what is exactly the kind of help that India will be looking at getting from the UK?
Well, remember, each of these properties obviously is a source of logistics for the Dawood, for Dawood's family and he himself, as well as the D company, the empire itself. But apart from that, there may be a financial, there might be a financial angle to each of these properties. Obviously, physical locations enable transactions. They could be safe houses for other kinds of terror activities. It isn't really clear which other groups that Dawood Ibrahim may or may not be actually connected with. So it is very important to physically clamp down on the assets of Dawood Ibrahim. Remember, India has already been able to enlist American help, American support in freezing D company financial assets in some cases. This hasn't been a completely successful venture, but the other more important issue is trying to seize his physical assets, to try and choke all resources as far as the D company and the empire is concerned, because that obviously is the source of his strength. So far, India's many attempts to try and get Pakistan to crack down on his many properties at the Clifton Heights in Karachi and several other places that have been revealed right there in the centers of Pakistan's biggest cities have been almost completely unsuccessful. Therefore, India believes that it needs to now start tracking its Dawood's other properties in other countries apart from Pakistan and try and squeeze them there. And that's where Britain could play a very key role, because 14 of those 26 addresses are in the United Kingdom alone.
All right, so 14 of those 26 addresses are in the United Kingdom. Shiv, thanks so much for putting these developments in perspective for us. We're going to keep coming back to you for more. We're also getting some more reactions from defense experts. Let's take a look.
दाऊद इब्राहिम को आपने ख़त्म करना है तो पहले उसके बिजनेस एम्पायर को, उसकी इकोनॉमिक शक्ति को ख़त्म करना है। में हिंदुस्तान के लिए बड़ा लाजमी है कि जल्दी से जल्दी दाऊद इब्राहिम को न्यूट्रलाइज करें। एक तो इकोनॉमिक प्रॉपर्टी को उसके ऊपर शिकंजा कसा जा रहा है। दूसरा, पूरी इंटरनेशनल एजेंसीज जो हिंदुस्तान की फ्रेंडली हैं उनको इस्तेमाल करके उनके माध्यम से भी कोशिश की जा रही है कि उसको कराची में या जहां भी छुपाया हो उसको नैब किया जाए।